I was outside yesterday and it was really hot. And we're talking about dangerous levels of heat. It's also near record heat this weekend. 107 is our record high at Camp Mabry for today. That was in 2024. And our high I'm forecasting is 106. So we could at least get close to the record today. Tomorrow, the record is 106. I think we'll tie it tomorrow. And when we're talking about dangerous heat, we do have a heat advisory in effect for all of the areas in orange, which is most of our counties except for Mason, Gillespie, and Blanco. In the hill country is staying a little bit lower on the air temperature, but this is for air temperatures ranging from 104 to 106 and heat index values up to 112. If you have outdoor plans during the afternoon, you need to make sure that you are limiting your outside time. Whenever we get into a heat advisory, this means being outside for a few hours can be dangerous. We don't want to be out there during those peak daytime heating hours from about 12 until 6 or 7 o'clock. Now here's something that could help. Little rain chances. I mean, tiny little scattered showers. But you see that cloud here? This is the outflow from storms to the north, which is just winds that are created by that rain-cooled air. As it hits the hot air mass over us, we could see it pop up a shower or two, maybe even a thunderstorm. The main thing to watch for would be lightning if we do get a storm popping up. But I think most of us are just going to be dry. And then similar conditions tomorrow, 106 again, and then we'll back off a bit. We'll be 103 by Friday, but the heat index still ranging from 107 to 108 through that extended forecast. So far, we've had 24 triple-digit days this year. Our average is 29, and I'm forecasting 7 more, so I think we will surpass our annual average number. And the reason for that is the heat dome of high pressure still parked right on top of us. We do see a slight shift Thursday to the west because we have low pressure over the Great Lakes. So that could put us right on the edge of that storm track, allowing for some rain chances there. You see the green starting to pop up in central Texas, but still very low rain chances, and it's been 28 days since we've seen measurable rainfall at Camp Mabry. It's just been missing that station there. July 24th is the last time we saw rain. Maybe we get a chance to get a little bit of that this week, but I think it's still largely dry and hot. In the tropics, Tropical Storm Moke, this is going south of Hawaii, thankfully, after we just saw the impacts of Hurricane Lala. It's not forecast to become a hurricane, but strengthening a little bit and then weakening and eventually becoming post-tropical in the long range. Lala is out there up to sea. We have 3 areas to watch in the eastern Pacific. Look at all this storm activity that's happening off of Central America. Meanwhile, in the Atlantic, we're watching a wave that could come off the coast of Africa into the main development region. This is long range we're talking. So watching that area, 2 other areas up to the north, but not as much activity on the Atlantic side as the Pacific because of El Nino. Our Bee Cave camera, though, showing some dust. There's a big plume of Saharan dust that has moved in. It does start to dissipate a little bit into the start of the week, but what it's doing is dropping the dew points. We have 60-degree dew points in the hill country, and then it's much higher out here to the east. Still seeing some upper 70s on the dew points, but some of that drier air mixing down. When you pair that with the air temperature, which right now we're getting upper 70s, low 80s, it's going to help slightly with the heat index. That's why we're not talking about extreme heat warnings. If we had 70-degree dew points in the afternoon paired with 106 through the weekend, we would likely be talking about 115 on the heat index, ranging more from 108 to 112. Still dangerous heat, but it helps a little bit to have slightly drier air. But look at this 7-day forecast. I mean, over 103 every day. We do back off a little bit late week with those slight rain chances, but overnight lows, upper 70s. It's going to be very hot. Make sure you're checking in on your friends and neighbors, especially those who don't have air conditioning. Maybe invite them over. Some are cool to cool off, and we need to stay hydrated all week long.